My name is Jennie Curtis and I work for Barnwood Trust. We're a disability and mental health charity based in Gloucestershire. We were using an HR system that had been fine for managing a few employees, but it was getting really outdated. Processes were becoming longer than they needed to. The physical admin processes of getting information into the system meant that we were often getting managers and employees to fill things out on a paper format. And then that had to be sort of manually entered into the system before we could even think about getting information back out. And what we often found happened was that people would end up using spreadsheets for things. So we ended up duplicating data and processes as well. We implemented a new system which enabled people to self-serve and self-manage their information. And it's really had a massive impact actually on being able to have that information in the system accurately, linked to payroll. Everything's all done centrally now, and we get a lot more timely and accurate information. One of the things that we've done recently is we introduced a new job evaluation framework so that we could apply equal pay across the trust and really make sure that we were paying appropriately for roles. So being able to view the data in lots of different ways and really easily from the new system enabled us to really look at things like how our historic recruiting processes had impacted pay, things like TUPE transfers and things like that, all the things that just sort of get hidden in time really. So having a good system of both benchmarking external data and being able to draw that back across into what we were actually paying people and rewarding people in total was really, really helpful. The other thing that the system's really helpful for on a day-to-day basis is being able to get really quick sickness absence information. So it's been really invaluable tool in the pandemic in being able to access that sickness absence information and being able to monitor it. The other thing that we've been able to monitor is holidays. As an organisation full of people who are highly motivated to work with others and are really committed to the work that they're doing, it's really difficult sometimes for us to make sure that people are actually taking a break. So being able to have really quick access to holiday information has been able to help us remind people, you do need to take a break. You may not feel as a small organisation that you have a lot of data to manage, but actually we find that having a system that enables us to pull information out really quickly and really visually as well uncovers things that we just wouldn't have thought about because it would have literally been hidden before.